Five Alive today. I know it's late. We normally meet on a morning, but I was really busy today, and we are going to meet this afternoon. Think of it as happy hour. I'm going to grab a med ball. This is 8 pounds, and we're going to go through 5 really cool core exercises. I hope you like them. So the first thing we're going to do is a squat, and on this squat, I'm going to have you go really wide, almost like a sumo position. We're going to tap down. Notice my knees are directly over my ankles, so it's down and up, down and up, and then all the way around. I'm going to do that a couple of times. Core strength is super important, and this way I'm getting my legs, my shoulders, my back, and the entire core. So I'm going to do one more to the side. Take a deep breath in. You can hold any weight you want. Let's go the opposite way. But if you go heavy, you're going to definitely get your heart rate up a little bit more. Stay low in the legs. I'm not dropping my butt down past my knees, and that's number 1. Down, good, hello, good afternoon, and all the way around. And let your rib cage move like a cat when you do your circle. You can also reverse the circle. So instead of going around and back, you can reverse it. So a great one to do in a big sumo position or almost a sumo position. Number 2 is what I call under overs. Change your hand grip. So don't go straight underneath. Hello, thanks for joining me. Go under in a deep squat. Again, keeping the knees over the ankles. Don't let them fall forward. Under, over, down so that you're working this shoulder. And up. Notice the body movement. Down and rotate up. You want as much movement in the middle of the body for core work. Thank you for joining me this afternoon. If you don't have a med ball, you can try this with a weight. And then I'm going to continue to drive and rotate. So this is an excellent way to, again, engage the core, get your shoulders, get your legs. You can go as low as you want. And if you're really ambitious, you can throw that ball up in the air and catch it. I have low ceilings. Let's do the next one. So this is called Over the Rainbows. Legs are in a true sumo, knee inside the ankle. Center your core right down the middle, so there's no moving yet. Then take your ball, and we're going to go away from the weight. So notice my angle, shoulder, core, glutes, legs, everything's working. In, away, and in. Let's do that a couple more times. Away and in. Look for body alignment. And the further you take your body without moving your legs, the more core stress. Then I'm going to drop it down and do a series of over the rainbows. When you get it to the leg, push down and do an abdominal crunch. You hear my breath? That's because staying low, engaging the core with a heavy ball can be very challenging. And then I'm going to take the other side. Reach away and in. Reach away and in. Let's do one more. Reach away and in, then over the rainbows. Compress, up and over, and push, up and over and push. You can do that as many times as you like. Keep that chest open so that you're not rounding your back. I call these figure 8s. I'm going to start with your feet together or slightly apart. You're going to do a figure 8, and then step back and do a curtsy lunge and do a big circular movement. So it's 8, big circle back, and the more you rotate, the better. Figure 8, curtsy. So here's how I think about it. If you go left, right, you end up on the left curtsy, 90-90 on the leg. Right, left, right, left, right. Hear my strain? That's it. Right, left, reach. I'm going to do one more. Left, right, and reach. Now I know you get enough. Woo, just dropped my microphone. I know you guys get tons and tons of planks and burpees. Let me just put that in my pocket. But let's try this one for a change. The movement is straight up, down. You're going to go into a burpee position, but drop into a side saddle, come up and over the top, then pop back to your high plank, bring it on in, and take it up. Hopefully I won't lose my mic again. Bring it out, sit, we tuck that around, rotate your core all the way up, all the way around, pop out, to that big open plank. Bring it on in and come all the way up. Thank you for sticking with me. I lost body parts, mics, everything. Hope you have a great day. 5 great core exercises with a huge med ball. I'll see you on Wednesday for Cardio Wednesday.